Welcome back, everyone. Today, the first photo battle between myself and Flint.
Flint or Ignatius?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anymore. Who cares? So today, what we're going to be doing, you're going to be shooting with film.
Yep.
What are you shooting with? What camera and film?
So I'm shooting with the Canon EOS 5 with a 50mm f1.8, some Fuji Industrial 100.
And I'm going to be shooting with the Fuji XT2 with the 35mm.
Just to even out the playing field, we've limited ourselves to only 36 shots because that's all you get on one roll of film.
One model, 3 outfits, 3 locations. We're going to be stuck to the confines of each location, and we're going to come up with as many creative shots as we can.
We've only got 12 shots per location. I think it's going to be, I quite like it. I quite like the idea of keeping nice, short and simple. I like having those restrictions. I kind of feel a bit comfortable because obviously I'll be choosing the location. We're shooting around my place, so I feel a bit comfortable. So I'm not too worried, to be honest.
I think for me, the only thing I need to get used to is I get one shot. It's the sort of cut off at 12 shots per location, so I need to get used to that mentally. As a digital shooter, you know, you normally have endless amount of shots that you can take, so I need to sort of mentally get that ingrained into my mind that it's one shot per pose. And perhaps the odd bystander getting in the way, or somebody worried that we're standing in front of their house.
Well, let's just hope we don't get garbage thrown at us.
Yeah, or worse.
All right, location number 1. Let's get into it. Round 1, location 1, outfit number 1, and I'm going to shoot at about 2.8. Nice. And then can I get you one hand on your hand like that? Okay, just hold that. I'm going to go for a close up. Same again. Can I stand you in this light here? Turn up just a bit more, and then put one hand on your. Okay, just hold that there. Yep, that's really nice. Beautiful. Same again. Can I just get you maybe hands there? I'm going to try to get the sky in the background here. Heather, give me some freestyle. Give me some freestyle shot. Nice. Yeah, love it.
12 shots. All right, if we can get you back up against the red, fully extended, back to the wall and arms up. You got to mentally keep track of how many shots you're doing as well. That's one. If you can sit, that'll be great.
Yeah. In front or
in front, please. Let's hope nobody's home. If you could sit on the ledge really quickly. Let's hope we don't disturb the neighbours. Perfect. And the other leg, yeah, extended forward, coming towards me. Again, you don't want to mess up people's things, but perfect. 7 shots to go. It's hard to get creative when you've got such a limited space and you're pressed against time. Posing against the wall like that, and I'll shoot you with a side profile on. Lovely. Let's see if I can see you in the glass right there. So facing into the glass, and see how much of your reflection we can get from that. 5 shots to go. It's difficult, man. It is. Let's get both legs as far forward as you can. It's a habit when you shoot digital to just take 4 or 5 per shot, but exactly. you got to remember mentally you only have that one shot, and I think the more you shoot with film, that sort of becomes second nature. But as a digital shooter, you just have to mentally remind yourself that, okay, that's the winner, mate. I know I won now. No, I already know. You know what? With 2 shots to go, I concede. I said that's enough.
Are you serious?
No, I don't need the other 2. I am that confident.
Wow, okay.
The joke is shots fired.
Location number 2, and we've got some nice colours to work with here. Lovely pastels. So we're going to try and use some of the colours to help accentuate the photos. And let's get you up against the green, the mint. Very Wes Anderson-esque. Yeah, perfect. No, because I wear steel taps on my Tom Browns, so it's like click, clack, click. It's like a horse. My friends always take the piss out of me. There was no way near me. You messed up my shot. I thought it was coming toward. It was like there. Can I get a readie?
Yeah, fine.
What do you think, audience? Comment below if you think I deserve a readie for that. A little bit down with the hand. No, not too much, not too much. Yeah, perfect. And head tilted back. Oh, it's so hard when you got one shot, man. Beautiful. Mind.
That shit.
Yeah. Facing the wall and then looking over your shoulder. Lovely. Lovely. Sort of branches there, so we can use that. If you can get behind the branches, so we create this jungle effect. Yep. That's round 2 secured. Sorry. How inconsiderate of me. Just got my shot and walked away. Nowhere in my contract does it specify that I need to get you out of a sticky situation. You take the shot and that's it. Let's use the posts there. So if we can have you leaning, let's get it as west as possible. Because everyone loves a bit of west. Oh, my legs are not cut out for this. Listen, mate, you got big legs. I got chicken legs, yeah? I don't have the Malaysian genes. I want you to make like an abstract shape. So maybe like one leg, like that. Lovely. Turn it over your shoulder, and then you're catching the light on your face.
Oh, sorry, mate. Let's see your partner.
I'm good.
You done?
I'm done.
Good. Let's get into it. All right, let's start over there. So basically what I want you to be doing is just sort of stepping outside. So I want like half your body sticking out. Come back here to this yellow wall. So I'm gonna make use of these reflections here. The dress just a bit, just so we can see your tattoos. I'm gonna try one close up again. I'm gonna try this time. Can you step forward a bit? So I'm gonna get your eyes in that light here. Perfect. I'm really liking the reflections off of things. Step into it like that. Yeah, hold that and now stick that, now kick that leg up. Turn your body towards the light. Nice, hold that. There's this really nice shadow here that I want to make use of. I really like the way the shadow sort of like points towards her. Get your back on here. Cool, let's try. I want to get another shallow depth of field photo. So another long one. Perfect. I said anywhere.
Is it a new location?
No, not really. It's like still within, still in eye shot.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, forward.
What?
You're about to lean on the Maserati.
Trying to see how to make this. Tilt your head. Can you do this, like with the other hand? Okay. It's 24.
So how did you feel about the second location? How's that working for you?
Yeah, I really liked it. I've used this location before. I love it because you get so many different varieties, so many different options, different colours.
Yeah, I definitely think the way the light falls on the different colours, we were able to, it made our job a lot easier. And working sort of with the pastel tones, it was half the done was work for us. So great location. Half the done was work for us. So how are you feeling about the challenge?
I feel good. I got some. After the first round, I was like, oh damn, Flint's got me. But then, and the second round, I was like, wait a. Actually, I think
I think I got something up the sleeve.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to round number 3.
Final location, final outfit. Let's go. Just standing on the top step here. Sorry, I'm gonna get really low. This one. Nice. Can you just like have you pulling back? Tilt your head back a bit. If you want. Nice. A bit more. Yeah, hold that. Perfect. Cool. Cool. Perfect. Love it. Can you tilt your head back a bit? And then so tilt your head like that. 4 more. Look down at me. Yeah. Can I get you on the corner? So walk towards me, hold it, hold it. So I like that pose, but I just want your face in the light. Lovely. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Over to you, Flint.
Let's seal the deal and get the win. 3 for 3, whitewash. We'll go on the stairs as we were because Zain already took all my shots. If you can go down the stairs here and then I can shoot you through the bar. This is the problem with shooting around here. You have to be sure that you're not encroaching on people's privacy, because the last thing you want to do is make people feel uncomfortable in their own homes, especially when all the houses around here cost upwards of 5 million. Creative mind blank now. What are we looking for? My bag? Yeah, it's on his back.
Oh.
I thought you said you could speak English. I lost count. That was 3rd. We are so good at these challenges. We are like experts now. Who is that? Is that me? Yeah, that's my shadow.
I'm not very flexible.
It's you and me both. Lovely. Oh, this is a tough location. Can we do one with you sitting on the curb, perhaps? Okay. Did you do the shot?
Yep.
You did, didn't you? All right. I'm just going to do it better. Do you need help, or you can use? It's not chicken, turkey. Is it me? Am I hungry? Yeah. I suddenly got a waft of chicken or turkey. This part of the job is not, in our contract. Another perk of using film, anything looks good on film. You don't have to work as hard. That's what I meant, yeah. It actually worked out better. And it's Flint for the win. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. 3-0, whitewash, and he's won.
You got 3 more. That was 9.
That was 9.
You happy?
Yeah, I'll that's the winning shot. He knows when he's won.
All right, Christopher, how did you find that? How did you find shooting with us?
in the not a lot of shoots that I've done before, a lot of times I have to think a lot more about the poses, but I think because of the challenge, like you guys are really directing me and I really just have to go with the flow. So it's pretty easy for me.
I think your outfit selections made and the location sort of went hand in hand, which made it easier for us. I felt today there wasn't a lot of pressure on us to come up with the poses or the creativity.
But you're just really good at that.
Oh yeah, I mean let's be honest, that's what the case is. But I think there wasn't a lot of creative pressure on us today to come up with some great shots. I think a lot of the work was done for us.
Definitely.
How do you feel about that, Zain?
Yeah, definitely. I think the outfits kind of like the poses sort of created themselves. Like just my eyes were drawn to like maybe the hair, my eyes were drawn to the tattoos.
Yeah. So in conclusion, I'm the real winner today, basically.
Well, I mean,
yeah.
Otherwise we would have to take pictures of each other.
Yeah.
And that would have been a bit weird.
Yeah, that would have been a bit weird. I knew exactly which shot I took to beat you in every round. And as soon as I took it, I was like, that's it.
Mate, I'm gonna love it if like the viewers just say like, those shots were shit.
I know he's going to personally message his comment, like the people who comment, please, can you pick mine?
Yeah, so anyway, guys, we'll wrap this one up there. Comment down below which one was your favorite shot, which was your favorite pose, favorite location, whatever. Say something nice down in the comments. Christabel, where can they find you if you want to be found?
Instagram at ChristabelChan_.
Flint, do you want to be found?
You can find my work on www.flintstrove.com.
You can find me on Instagram at Zain Shoots Film. Check out my portfolio at zainreasons.com. www.zainreasons.com. Anyway, guys, subscribe if you haven't already. I upload to the channel twice a week.
Twicely.
I feel I'm going to stop saying that.
Because it's not a word.
It's also fun. I thought it was funny. Keep learning, keep shooting. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Peace. Okay.